forecast.
Well, good afternoon. Here we are on this Wednesday, December 2nd, and it was pretty warm today, making it to 76 in Corpus Christi. A cold front did go through. The cooler air isn't here yet, but it will be. Take a look live around the region. We have clear skies in Beeville, where we're seeing that temperature still at 75 degrees. With a light northwest breeze in Beeville, we are seeing those winds coming in from the west-northwest and much of the area. A few more clouds in Kingsville right now, and still warm at 78 degrees, 74 in Corpus Christi. And again, even though the front has gone through, the winds have shifted, the cooler air is still sitting up to our north, but it's coming, and with north wind tonight, you'll certainly feel it. By the early morning tomorrow, temperatures are going to drop. It's going to be colder tonight, dropping into the upper 30s near Orange Grove, Mathis, Beeville, George West around 39 tonight, 37 for Tilden. But coast side looking at 42 at Corpus Christi and Ingleside to 48 tonight at Port Aransas. The problem is going to be the wind. That breeze actually increases tonight, and it's going to be even cooler. You can see that with the feels like temperatures. These are the wind chills, what that wind's going to make it feel like. And notice in the morning tomorrow, we're looking at wind chills, except for right at the coast. Inland are going to be in the 30s, so it wouldn't hurt to have that coat with you early on tomorrow if you're heading out the door early, as that wind is going to have a bite to it. So Thursday's forecast, you can see it stays on the cool side. We'll touch 60 degrees tomorrow afternoon with that northwest wind. It is going to be on the breezy side too. You can see the temperatures only reaching the upper 50s to low 60s tomorrow, so cooler than today, but certainly not a bad day. We'll have a lot of sunshine and low humidity. It's just that wind will be on the chilly side. Speaking of wind, this is future winds, the wind speeds. And notice tonight, this is 5 o'clock this evening. Watch that north wind increase as we go overnight. So you'll notice that wind picking up tonight through early morning tomorrow. It's going to be a chilly wind too, coming in from the northwest. Then it dies down as we go through the day tomorrow. We'll have less wind by the late afternoon hours. So as we see the rain pushing off the coast, thunderstorms over the Gulf right now, we are in the drier air moving in, and that'll be with us the next few days as high pressure settles in. We are not looking at any rain in our forecast, at least as of now. It looks like we've got a pretty dry weather pattern shaping up. What we have right now in the upper levels of the atmosphere, an upper level low is spinning to our north, and that's helping to drive that cold front at the surface through the area. So we're going to stay in this cooler air for a couple of days, but watch what happens. Another area of low pressure right there develops in the upper air Saturday and Sunday. Right now, it does not look like it's got enough moisture to produce any rain here, but something that we'll watch. Right now, it does look like a dry weekend, and then as we get into next Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, high pressure aloft starts to build, and that's going to warm us up for the middle of next week. We're also going to have a southwesterly airflow in the upper air, and that helps to bring in those milder temperatures. So next week is looking warmer, and it still looks dry at this time unless one of those upper lows can manage to bring a little bit of rain. But right now it doesn't look like it. As you can see, the temperatures do climb for next week. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast then. You'll need the jackets the next couple of days. It's going to be cool. Tomorrow and Friday, low 60s, nights in the upper 30s and 40s, and then days gradually warm up. It'll be nice and mild and actually some beautiful weather as we head through the weekend and next